Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the font size on Feedly. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that when you're reading articles, the font size is too small, and even right now it looks a bit small. How do you actually go ahead and change the font size? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that first you're going to go ahead and log into your Feedly account. Then on the upper left hand corner, you want to click on your profile name and then click on settings. Once you've done so, you want to click on appearance. Now on this page here, you want to scroll all the way down to where it says text size. So you can see that there's a tooltip here that says which font size should we use for the body of articles. You can set it to small, medium, large, and extra large. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the font size on Feedly. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.